In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enable the dark theme or dark mode in Discord application, here is how we can easily do it. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner where it says you. And once we are in the profile, just click on the top right hand corner where you can see this gear icon. This is for the settings. Just go ahead and click that and scroll down to this section where it says the app settings section. And the second option is of appearance. So just go in here, and here for the appearance we can manage and adjust all of these settings, including the zoom level, chat size and all. But on the top we can see that the light mode is selected. That means everything will be white. So if you just want to select the dark mode, just click on the dark, or you can also select midnight, whatever you want. And that's how you do it. Just click on back and the settings will be saved immediately. So pretty straightforward process. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.